SK Hynix just raised $26.5 billion in the biggest foreign IPO ever on Wall Street. But behind the record-breaking numbers lies a question few dare to ask. Is this the dawn of a new memory chip boom driven by AI, or the calm before a historic bust? As the world races to feed AI's insatiable hunger for high-bandwidth memory, SK Hynix stands at a crossroads, a titan whose fate could reshape the future of technology and global markets. In July 2026, SK Hynix shattered records, raising $26.5 billion in the largest U.S. IPO ever by a foreign company. Few outside tech circles had heard of this South Korean memory giant, yet overnight, it became one of Wall Street's biggest stories. Behind this historic listing lies a story of ambition, innovation, and risk. SK Hynix is a critical supplier of high-bandwidth memory chips essential for powering artificial intelligence, with NVIDIA among its key customers. In 2025, fueled by the AI boom, SK Hynix reported nearly $65 billion in revenue and profits soaring to $28 billion. This IPO was oversubscribed by more than 500 investment firms, eager to catch a piece of the AI-driven surge. But memory chip markets are no strangers to volatility. The industry is notoriously cyclical, swinging between frenzied booms and brutal busts. SK Hynix's CEO, Noh-Jung, warned that 2027 will mark the worst year for memory shortages, a crunch expected to last until 2030. This scarcity could boost prices and revenues, or it could signal a looming collapse if supply chains tighten too far or demand falters. Adding to the uncertainty is the so-called Korea discount, a geopolitical risk premium that weighs on investor confidence. Despite soaring demand, investors remain cautious about market volatility tied to tensions in the region and the fragile global chip supply chain. SK Hynix's IPO debut saw shares jump nearly 14%, a clear signal of Wall Street's appetite for AI-related tech plays. Yet the question remains, is this surge sustainable? The company is investing heavily in expanding its high-bandwidth memory manufacturing capacity, betting big on AI's insatiable data needs. But the shadow of past bust cycles looms large, reminding investors that memory markets can turn on a dime. At the center of this race, SK Hynix embodies the opportunity and risk of the AI era. Its historic IPO isn't just a financial milestone, it's a barometer for the future of memory chips, AI infrastructure, and global technology leadership. Will SK Hynix ride the wave of AI demand into a new golden age, or will it be caught in the next devastating bust? Only time will tell, but for now, the world is watching.